In today's fast-paced work environment, productivity is key to staying ahead of the competition. One way to improve productivity in the workplace is by using all-in-one interactive flat panels. These versatile devices combine the functionality of a whiteboard, projector, and computer into one easy-to-use solution. Imagine starting your workday by walking into a meeting room where you can immediately begin collaborating with your team on a large, high-resolution touchscreen. No need to waste time setting up a projector or fumbling with cables. With an all-in-one interactive flat panel, everything you need is right at your fingertips. These devices not only save time but also encourage collaboration among team members. Employees can easily share documents, images, and videos, and even annotate directly on the screen. This level of interactivity allows for more engaging and productive discussions, leading to better decision-making and problem-solving. All-in-one interactive flat panels are also an eco-friendly choice for the workplace. By eliminating the need for paper, markers, and other traditional whiteboard materials, you're reducing waste and promoting a greener office environment. Plus, the digital nature of these devices means that all your notes and ideas can be easily saved and shared, so nothing gets lost or forgotten. In conclusion, incorporating all-in-one interactive flat panels into your workplace can lead to increased productivity, improved collaboration, and a more environmentally friendly office. Don't let outdated technology hold you back. Embrace the future with these innovative devices and watch your team's efficiency soar.